Hi everyone. Today I am going to share with you a very quick and easy recipe to help our children face cold and cough. And here it goes. This is what I have taken. This is a 1/4 teaspoon Jeshtimadh powder. It's also known as licorice powder. Then I took a 1/8 teaspoon organic turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon dry ginger powder, and now I'm going to start making the recipe. So this is a clean bowl, and I'm just going to start by adding organic raw honey. This is local honey, and I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of local honey. This much honey I've taken, and then I'm going to add the ginger powder. So this is actually the Jeshtimadh powder, then the ginger powder, and then the turmeric powder. And now I'll give a slight dash of freshly ground black pepper. So I'm just putting a very little bit. This helps in the absorption of the turmeric. And now I will mix it up. So sometimes you might find that the powder is very dry. So that just means that you can add a little more honey. What I really like about this recipe is it tastes good and the kids are happy to have it. So this has been my go-to for the past 10 years and it works every time. Here, this is how the mixture looks. And now you can divide it into 2 parts. Have one in the morning after you wake up and one at night before you sleep. It tastes really good. Mostly it tastes of honey with some texture. So hope this is helpful for you. Do subscribe to my channel. I plan to share more and more of Ayurvedic and yogic tips that I use for my own family. Okay, so have a great day and namaste.